Sagittarius, this is a career and money three-card spread. We start with the Wheel of Fortune, which is generally the Wheel of Good Fortune. We have the Page of Wands. He's creative with new ideas. And we have the Three of Wands, which is commerce and expansion. Pull those over. So, Sagittarius, your career shifts direction. The Wheel of Fortune brings change. The Page of Wands with new ideas. And by March, the Three of Wands, expansion and opportunities. Say yes to growth, even if the path looks unfamiliar.